Welcome, I'm Beth, and it's a nice day for a goth wedding. Today I'm joining in with the hashtag Dolls Gone Goth Wedding, hosted by Marna and Jay, links to their channels below. We've been challenged to create or showcase a black wedding dress for dolls, and I've decided to make one from scratch to be worn by my newest Blythe doll, Lady Panacea. I'll not get too in-depth on the process, but feel free to ask any construction questions in the comments. I've looked out some black lace and trim, and I've layered it over the top of black cotton, which I'm using as the base of the dress. I'm going for a kind of Regency style empire line dress with short lace sleeves and a high neckline with ruffled lace collar. On the bodice, you'll see I've placed the scalloped edge of the lace to emphasize the bust shape. I gathered the waist with 2 rows of stitching, and once I've attached a big ruffled trim to the skirt, I gather that to fit the waistline. I'm folding over the opening ends of the skirt, so when it's folded out it'll have a neat edge. I'm adding more trim for the high waistline, and we'll close the back of the skirt and add some buttons. My mum did suggest that I do lots of fabric-covered buttons on the back, but I couldn't handle it for this project. Can you imagine it though? The dress is complete but needs a veil. I'm making a kind of fascinator style one from black tulle. It's folded over, and I'll trim off the upper 2 corners and gather it in a semicircle to create a cupped shape. I'll stitch it to this silver comb and add a sparkly fancy thing I found in my stash. I also spotted this brooch, which I'll combine with these black resin roses on black felt to create a bouquet for her to hold too. I looked out some Barbie shoes that might work with the dress, and I chose these ones. Alright, here comes the bride. Let me know what you think of this look. Does it suit Lady Panacea? Be sure to check out the hashtag and see what everyone else has done for this theme. Thank you for watching. Bye!